In this video, we will learn how to import this data in Google Sheets into another one while filtering that we do not get these rows. For example, which have Monday and Tuesday. We want to exclude these rows. We don't want them. How to do it? So this is our destination sheet. This is where we want the data. This is our source sheet. So to bring this data such that we do not get these three rows which has Monday and Tuesday, to do it, all we need to do is we need this ID. After D slash, we need this ID. Copy it. We go here and we write import. Now if you write import range, you will get some help from Google as well. So the Google is asking here to paste your URL, and in the inverted commas we paste the URL, and now it is asking for the range. So the sheet name is of course sheet 1, and from A to L we need the data. Now when you will click enter, it will give you a message like error, but do not worry, it is not an error. When you hover it, it will ask your permission because this is a foreigner sheet. This is an external sheet which is separate from this one. So you need access. You say allow access. When you will do, you will see the entire data over here. But we said that these rows will not be included. To do that, you need to query it. We will write a query like this. Select all or select A, B, or C. You can do this as well, or you can say select all. So the star means all, where L is not equal to Monday, and there is another condition, L is not equal to Tuesday, and you are done. So now we have an error here. It's saying there is no column L. So this means that you need to do something else. Why there is not column L whereas we could see it? The reason is that this data does not exist on this sheet, even if we were able to see it, because this data is in the import function. So we need to find out the column value. For example, column A is column 1, and this is column 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now this will work because this is column 12. You see, the data was not existing on this page. The data was in this function. So when you import range, you need to put columns. So if you're not good with this solution, if you're not happy with this solution, you can remove this from here and paste it as is and name this sheet import. Now add another sheet, and this is filtered port, and now you can query this data, selecting it and writing select all where L is not equal to Monday and L is not equal to Tuesday, And here you go. Now you have a data set which is filtered. So this is your filtered report. You bring the data here as is from the other sheet just to have control and just to have a nice naming convention in the query. So you can now trace it very easily. It is readable. But if you are an advanced user, by the time after having your hands dirty in this work, you can write smart queries, the one like we wrote before. And if you need some, this is some extra tip for you. If you need some specific columns, for example, C and D, so this is possible. You get C and D only for those days which it does not have Monday and Tuesday. If you want to see it, you can see it here. So these are only those rows which does not have Monday and Tuesday. So this is a very flexible way of playing around with data. Hope this helps.